Welcome student. Today we study the planting methods of sugarcane crop. There are different planting methods are followed in India as well as Maharashtra on the basis of types of soil and varieties. So the planting methods are number 1 ridge and furrow method, number 2 flatbed method, number 3 Rayangan method of sugarcane planting, number 4 trench or Java method of sugarcane planting. Out of these we study each in details. Number 1, that is the ridge and furrow method of sugarcane planting. It is the most common and popular method of sugarcane planting followed in Maharashtra. It also adopted as a wet condition and dry condition of sugarcane planting sites. So this method should be carefully study or listen. After the land preparation, uh, during the last time of land preparation, land is prepared as a for ridge and furrow method, that is the furrows are open with the help of ridger by keep specific distance 120 centimeter apart from each other, ridge to ridge and furrows. So this point should be carefully studied. Next, initially it is the most common and popular method of sugarcane planting followed in Maharashtra as well as India. Next one is in this method ridges are open, ridges and furrows are open at proper distance with the help of ridger, and distance should be keep 120 centimeter between the furrows in heavy soils and 105 centimeter in medium soil. Then the main irrigation canals and sub-main irrigation canals are open or prepared as a slope of soil. Then the initially sugarcane seeds are laid on the top of ridge end to end. Laterally it is planted into furrows by two ways, that is known as a wet method and dry method of sugarcane planting. During the wet method, it is followed in medium soil. Irrigation is given just before or at the time of sugarcane planting. Then the sugarcane seeds are pressed up to 2.5 to 5 centimeter deep into the furrows by feet or hand, and sets are placed by facing birds on upper side. So it should be carefully taken, and care should be taken that the while pressing of sugarcane sets, birds are not injured by the foot or hand. This care should be taken. In this method followed in light to medium soil which is not deep. So sugarcane seeds are placed at proper depth into the soil and it helps improve its germination. Number second method in dry planting method, dry types. In this method, it is followed in heavy soils to avoid the deep pressing sets into the soil. In this method, irrigation is not given just before the sowing of seeds. This point should be keep in your mind. Sets are placed into the furrow end to end by facing. Ibirds are remain on upper surface or vertically, and after that it is covered with soil. And after the completion of germination, after completion of planting, irrigation is given just after the planting time. This method followed in heavy soils because very deep placing of sugarcane seeds results lower germination of sugarcane seeds. So this method also followed. Number second planting method, that is the flood bed method. This method is followed in North Indian states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, etc. Initially, land is ploughed and harrowings are given, and then land is leveled and flat beds are open at proper distance. Then the sugarcane sets are laid on the flat bed in a line 60 to 90 centimeter distance apart from each other, or two rows depending upon the soil type. In medium soil it is taken 60 centimeter, and in heavy soil it is taken 90 centimeter apart from each other distance between row to row. Then the sugarcane seeds are pressed into the soil by hand or foot up to the 2.5 to 5 centimeter deep, and after that it is covered with soil. At the time of planting, care should be taken that the eyebuds of sugarcane seeds are faced on upper side, otherwise lower side buds are not germinate properly. So this care should be taken properly. Then in this method this method followed where abundant moistures are available in soil that area or that region, this method or flatbed method is adopted. In Maharashtra it is rarely followed. Earthing up is given during the rainy season in this method to plants remain vertically erect direction, and damage breaking up sugarcane seeds due to heavy rainfall is reduced. So this method is also carefully studied. Next, third one is the Rayangan method of sugarcane planting. This method also asks for our 2 marks in a short note. Rayangan method of sugarcane planting. Rayangan method of sugarcane planting is followed for Adsali sugarcane planting at river bank side fields which are gets flooded during the rainy season. Areas like Kolhapur district. In Kolhapur district it is mostly followed. So river bank side fields get flooded during the rainy season due to heavy rainfall. So in that cases there is a not planting is done of sugarcane because due to heavy flood or water stagnation condition near the river bank side fields. So in this method is carefully listen or study. Number 1, Rayangan method is followed at Kolhapur district on river bank side fields during the July to August. So this method is followed Adsali sugarcane planting. In areas usually sugarcane fields are gets flooded during the rainy season, which is affect on the germination of sugarcane seeds. So in a such area, sugarcane seeds cannot be planted directly into the field. So single eyebod sugarcane seeds are planted in a nursery during the month of May to June, and May to June, and after that water is given to the nursery for proper development of seedlings, and these sugarcane seeds are planted in nursery by the end of May or first week of June to July, and then after 5 to 6 weeks of transplanting, sugarcane seeds are sprouted and seedlings are prepared, and after that these seedlings are transplanted into the main field when the danger of flood is over. That during the July August, that time sugarcane seeds are planted into the main field, and sugarcane seeds or sugarcane seedlings are grow successfully in that area, or sugarcane planting is done successfully in that area. Locally, this method is known as a Ryangan method of sugarcane planting. So this method is mostly used in river bank side fields at Kolhapur district. So local word Ryangan. So this method is known as a Ryangan method of sugarcane planting. So this method also asks for our 2 marks. So this should be carefully studied or listen. Next one is the last trench or Java method of sugarcane planting. Java or sugarcane planting. So this method is practiced in Java and Mauritius. Trenches are made about 90 to 120 centimeter apart and 22 centimeter to 30 centimeter deep. Then the soil at bottom is loosened and mixed with manures. After that, the seeds are planted in the middle of trenches and covered with soil. Irrigation is given after completion of planting of sugarcane seeds. This method is produce large number of clumps or tillers. Large number of clumps of sugarcane which do not load when it is tied together. The damage from the wild animals is also less. This method is not given good results with Indian sugarcane varieties, hence it is not followed in India, but this method is also popular in Java and Mauritius. So this one is the planting method of sugarcane. Then we study the Adsali sugarcane planting. Sometime what is Adsali sugarcane planting? Adsali sugarcane planting is followed at low rainfall areas of Maharashtra. Planting is done in the month of July to August, and crop remains 18 months in the field. So this crop takes long duration for its maturity and harvesting. In July August, soil may be get waterlogged, so it suffers from the lack of aeration or lack of proper drainage condition, or proper drainage condition of soil is not done. So this method is followed during the July to August during the continuous rain. If there is a continuous rain, soils are get waterlogged or water stagnation condition appeared into the soil. So Adsali planting is done. During the Adsali planting, Adsali sugarcane planting is done on the sides of ridge, not at the bottom of furrows. Adsali planting is done on sides of ridge, not at the bottom of furrows. So sugarcane seeds are germinate successfully, or germination percentage or germination rate is improved. Adsali sugarcane planting provides long duration for vegetative growth, and ultimately sugarcane side yield is gets higher. So this should be carefully study the points of Adsali sugarcane planting. During the Adsali sugarcane planting, or at the time of Adsali sugarcane planting, in the month of July-August, sugarcane seeds are planted on the sides of ridge, not in furrows. So these points should be carefully studied or listened. Next one point we should study, or we carefully keep in your mind for your fill in the blanks. Sugarcane site germination, or sugarcane planting material germination completed within 6 to 8 weeks after the planting time. So this point should be noted. Germination of sugarcane is completed within 6 to 8 weeks after planting time. Next points we should study the next video. Thank you, student.